Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge AC in your Dodge Dart. Before starting, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Next, find the low-pressure service port, usually marked with an L cap, on your vehicle's AC line. Make sure your engine is running and the air conditioning is turned on full blast with the fans set to high. This prepares the system for the refrigerant. Now, securely attach the Quick Connect fitting from your AC recharge kit to the low-pressure service port. You'll hear a click when it's properly seated. Before connecting the refrigerant can to the hose, give it a good shake for about 1 minute to mix the contents. Finally, ensure the pressure gauge on your kit reads 0 before you pierce the can, preventing inaccurate readings. With everything connected, slowly press the trigger on the refrigerant can in short bursts, typically for 5 to 10 seconds at a time. Between bursts, release the trigger and check the pressure gauge. You want to stay within the recommended pressure range for your vehicle, usually indicated on the gauge itself. Avoid overcharging, as this can damage your AC system. Once the pressure is correct, carefully disconnect the Quick Connect fitting from the low-pressure port. You might hear a small hiss, which is normal. Then, hop into your Dodge Dart and check if cold air is now blowing strongly from the vents. If so, you've successfully recharged your AC. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. It's perfect for reading on the go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.